Hello lovely viewers, welcome to my channel once again. It's nice seeing you around. You're welcome. New subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by. In this channel I teach how to read and write. I make it fun and engaging. You're welcome once again. Please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload an amazing video like this, you'll be the first person to see it. Thank you once again for stopping by. Two letters that have single sound, that is combination of two letters that gives a single sound, and such letters are called digraphs. They are those two letters that gives a single sound. Example of such letter is th sound d. So this th is an example of combination of two letters that gives a single sound. There are different types of digraph, but for the sake of today's video, we are going to talk about the th sound d. Th sound d. The first example is d. The d. The second example is then. D. N. Then. Those. D. Us. Those. That. D. At. That. Very good. I hope you are following me. It is not difficult. Pay attention and you will get it. Dear. D. L. Dear. Good job, you. Day. D. A. Day. Very good. This. This. D. S. This. Good job, you. That. D. Act. That. Them. D. Them. Dear. L. Dear. So these are combination of two letters that sound D. If you look at it very well, it is not so difficult to sound. Just go down with, just start with letter D and add the third one, you will get it. So simple and easy. This is your first time of seeing this word. Just practice it. When you practice, you will get perfect. Practice makes perfect. Good job, you. If you got value from this video, please subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so whenever I upload a video, you'll be able to see it. Comment, like, and share. Thank you so much for stopping by. Bye for now.